Well, I've brushed some craft paint, golden brown, acrylic craft paint over the wheels and tires and over the bottom of the chassis just to kind of dust it up a little bit. It's like it's been running through the sand dunes. You can see the detail on the bottom of the engine here. And this cover here, I guess I dusted it up a little bit, that's going to go on here. And that's going to cover up a lot of the detail on the engine. So that's why I'm showing it now. Well, here's the completed build of the Airfix Beach Buggy. I just put it all together. I did the trim around the edge here. They show it in silver in the pictures, but I did it in gold just to complement the green. And I think you saw I dusted up the wheels and tires. If you glue it together carefully, they do roll. I don't know if you can see that on here, but they do roll. Figures are just loose. The driver is sort of a friction fit in against the steering wheel. The young lady here, she can be removed and used elsewhere, moved around. You've got to be really careful. These 6 little lights here, I painted them with Sharpie markers and glued them in without losing any. And I just put some Mod Podge on here, just glued that in place, the cover for that. Came out really well. I'm really pleased with it. I guess just a couple of marks here on the hood need to be touched up with some chrome. And I'm really happy the way it turned out. It looks good. It's a nice little build, a little dusty and dirty on the bottom. You can put that in a little diorama or something. Actually, going through my supplies when I was cleaning up, and I found this little case, clear plastic case. I can't remember what it came in, but I cleaned it up, and it'll the model will fit right in there perfectly. So I might glue some sand, beach sand, and some stones in the bottom of this and seal it in there to display it. Let's head to the beach and see if there's any minions there.